It is confusing and frustrating when we come to use the Python package relative import. In order to make it work, there are a few things that we need to pay attention to. Look at this directory and package structure setting here. We have a root directory and other directories and files and so on. And then within the root directory, we have a project directory. And under it, we set up a home directory, which is called current working directory. And this directory will be serving as a home directory for this demo. So the purpose of this home directory is serve three purposes. The first one is it is the home directory and is the reference point for package relative import. The second, it has to be in a search path, which is the sys.path in Python. And the third, the module containing relative import in the package need to be called from home directory, which is this current working directory. And then for a name conflicts, we try to put in a module, which is a different module, but with exactly the same name as all the module that we set up in the package directory. Okay, so just to show that this will not causing any name conflict, when we're using the package relative import. And package one is where the package starts. So we have package one, and then under the package one, we have package two, and under package two, we have package three. And in each package directory, we have to have an ini.py file. This is a must. And same for the one in package two and package three. So we intentionally use the exact same name, module1.py, in every package, which of course has a different function, but just happen to be the exact same name. And this is to show you are not causing any name conflicts. As we use the relative import, it has precise and make each module name in each package unique. So we won't be causing any confusion. Okay, so with this structure in mind, now we are ready to proceed. The relative package import is only for the from import, not for the import, which is the absolute direct import. This is only for this from only. Okay, so with one dot means that is sitting in its current directory, where is the package one. And from the two dot means that it's sitting in its current directory and go one level up to import the module. And then the three dot means from sitting in the current directory, go two level up the directory and then import the module. So basically, this is the overall setup in order to make the package relative import work. Okay, so now let's move on to see how we can implement this package structure setting. And just want to let you know, we recorded this section split into two sections. The first one we already done with explaining the pictures, the setting, the structure of the directory, and the package structure setting. So now we're going to move on to see how we can implementing this particular structures so that we can make the Python package relative import to work. So we're now in the DOS prompt. So we're going to show you the structure that we follow, the structure setting on the left. So first of all, we have a project directory, and under it, we have a current work directory sitting in here. Okay, so in this current work directory, we intentionally put in a module1.py. This is just to show you this will not causing name conflict. So we intentionally to put in there and make sure it's not called as we see the outcome of the program run. So we have this guy setting up. So now we go into the package 1. So this is where the relative package structure started. So within the package 1, we have also the module1.py, and as a requirement, we have an init.py file in there as well. And this is the package 1 structure. So let's see what we have in this module1.py. Okay, so basically, this module1 is going to be called by all the relative import. So we intentionally put up this print statement to indicate this is package 1 module 1 for all demo of the package relative import. So everybody from this point on under a relative import to call this particular module. All right, so let's go in there, the next subdirectory, package 2, and see what we have here. We also have this guy, module1.py. Let's see what we have in there as well. So basically, now we're starting to use in relative import. So basically, we try to import from sitting at package 2 directory. We're going to go up one level to the package 1 to grab this module 1. And then we should be seeing also with this print statement means that this is indeed from package module 1. Okay, and then we have another subdirectory coming up, which is a package 3. And what do we have in there? Also have another module 1 and init.py. This is all must according to this setting structure. So it's all in there. So now, one more thing to remember. All these modules, we cannot try to run it in its own directory, because if we do, then it's going to causing errors to get the relative import. So just to show you that, let's give you a shot. See, we will see this guy here. So, and then if we go back up one level, which is going to package 2, we do the same, as we're going to see the same errors again. Just back to the main point. The module containing package relative import needs to be called from the home directory. So now with this in mind, now we need to get back to the home directory. So now this is where we are in the home directory. So, and then we call, let's just get into the Python interactive mode. So we are now back to our home directory. So let's see what we have in here. So we're going to get into the Python interactive mode. And then just to get a reload function ready in case we have any new change to the program. So let's just do that. Okay, so now after we get the reload module loaded from the import library, go get the package 1 module 1 loaded. So this is what we have. We're going to import package 1 dot mod 1. So now you see, right? This is what we have. Package 1 module 1.py for all demo package. So we know this is 1 sitting in the package 1 module 1. All right. So now we're going to load the relative import. which is sitting in package 1, the package 2, the module 1. So this is where the relative import is occurring. So now we see that, right? This is from package 2, module 1 to relative import package 1. So we have successfully load this guy into the Python environment. And then, so we're going to do the same for the package 3, module 1. It's going to do the same here. Right. See, now we see this is from package 3, module 1 to relative import package 1, module 1. So we have successfully implemented and run the one that with a relative import sitting one level under package 1, and the second level down under package 1. And this is what corresponding to the from statement, 1 dot, 2 dot, and 3 dot. So give it a try and then see whether you can get it done correctly. And just reference to this directory and package structure and give you a shot. All right, that's it.